Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quick pickled cucumbers, easy method. Slice cucumbers thin and pack them into jars for even pickling. Heat 1 cup vinegar with 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon salt, and 1 tablespoon sugar until dissolved, then pour over cucumbers. Add dill and garlic for flavor, seal jars, and chill at least 1 hour. They taste bright and stay crunchy. Keep flavors simple and swap small ingredients to change the mood of your pickles. For a spicy version, add jalapeno or red pepper flakes to each jar. For aromatic depth, include mustard seeds or coriander and a few rings of sliced onion. Adjust sugar and salt amounts to taste, and always taste 1 cucumber after chilling to confirm seasoning. Small tweaks create big differences in flavor. Once sealed and chilled, quick pickles are ready to enjoy in about 1 hour and stay crisp for days. Keep them in the refrigerator and use within 2 weeks for best texture and flavor. Serve as a bright snack, slice them on sandwiches, or chop into salads for instant tang. If pickles soften, colder storage and crisper cucumber slices help restore some crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.